Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. It's all about the to-do lists today in my B6 planner. This is where I keep all of my to-do items for the house, and I'm going to put it together. So I pulled this washi to use with the kit. Anybody have a guess what it's going to be? It's the fruit kit, one of my favorites. I've used it already this year in the cousin, but I'm using the $2 Tuesday sheets. Let's see, this is one of my albums from Sweet Kawaii Design. So these stickers are all from Sweet Kawaii Design. And let's see, you can see I've already used some of the boxes on my daily pages in my cousin. When I did the cousin weekly spread, I used the cousin size kit. So I'm going to pull these sheets. These are the $2 Tuesday sheets. I use them for so many different things. I absolutely love them. I usually get a few. I'm not going to use the bottom washi this time in my B6, but I use them in this planner. I use them in my school B6 daily planner, which obviously I'm not using right now because it's summer vacation. And then on my daily pages in my cousin, I use them a ton. So this, let's see, this is not the current, this is the current week. So you can see, if you haven't watched any of my videos about this planner before, I use this for all of my to-do items at home. I use it. This stays out on top of my microwave in my kitchen all week. And it's where I jot down what I need to do. So you know how, at least for me, I'll think of something like, ooh, I need to make an eyebrow appointment or something, right? And if I don't write it down within like 10 minutes, it's gone. And I might think of it again at some random time, like when I'm in the shower, or like going to sleep or something like that. So if I leave this out where I can get to it pretty easily all the time, I actually remember to write things down and I stay on top of things. And then I use these dot markers. And what I'm looking for when I look at this, it has the dates there, occasionally things I have to do on a specific day, but not necessarily. It's more just like, okay, what doesn't have a check mark in it? That still is stuff I need to do. So that's how I use this planner. It works really well for me. I know lots of people maybe put their to-do lists in their weekly planners, like the big, like my Sweet Kawaii Design planner, that's where I put all the stuff that's going on with our family. But I don't have my to-do items in there. And I think a lot of it for me is just because, again, if I don't write things down, then I forget. So I tend to write down a lot of different things to do. And then some of them they don't have to get done that week. They might carry over to the next week, or, those things that you really don't want to do. So you do everything else except those things. And then you just kind of they keep going to the next day and to the next day. Yeah, well, there are those things too. So I just keep rewriting it, and then it feels extra good when I get to check one of those suckers off. All right, so I am using this cherry washi. It doesn't technically go, there's no pink in this kit, but with the cherries, I thought it would be really cute. So that's going to go down here at the bottom. I am going to go ahead and get the date covers on and speed you up because it's all those little, the little numbers on the date covers and everything. But I will say, I put headers up here to bring the color all the way up, and I do like to color block. So it'll be red, dark orange, light orange, yellow, green. It'll be kind of a double. Well, I'll have to decide if I want to use this Life is Peachy, if I want to use the double box or just go a single box this week. Let's see. Last week, or this current week, I did use a double box. The week before, I did not use a double box. So I don't know. We'll just kind of see how it goes. All right, I have the date covers on. I have the boxes. And what I was trying to figure out when I started to do the colors, I was like, oh, looking at these pages, like I've got a whole bunch of green, right? But only one. And then I've got red and orange. And what I didn't want is I only had one of this dark orange. So I was like, oh, I don't want to end up with a second box down here where I needed another one. Anyway, I think it's going to be just fine. I put my quarter boxes along here because I will use those for different laundry loads to do throughout the week to keep myself on track. I've got laundry going right now. One of those big bedding laundry. I don't know. It takes like 3 different loads, you know, because of like blankets and comforters and all those different things. Anyway, that's going on right now. Okay, so now I need to start putting in the full boxes. You can see I do the full boxes, and then I'm so excited to use these checklists. How cute are those? I'm really excited to use them. I think I'll start up here. You know, the other washi I was thinking about using was this week Kawaii Design watermelon washi, and I didn't, but because that would have gone really cute with Frank. All right. I hope everybody's having a good day. I am absolutely exhausted today. My husband has been working like, gosh, 15 to 16 hour days for the past several days. Work is just insanely busy, and it's just, you know, one of those times where it's no fun, but he's just got to get it done. And anyway, so I'm lucky enough that I am not working right now because it's, you know, summer vacation. So I stay up until he gets home, which is really nice to be able to do because I don't have to get up really early and go to work in the morning. But gosh, you guys, he got home last night. Oh, now see, okay, I'm sorry, interrupt myself here. So I was going to then say, okay, if I don't use the Life is Peachy and I just use this, but see, then look what happens. I've got one here, and I've got to undo this. Let's hope it doesn't snag on the paper. Okay. Anyway, so he got home last night at 1 o'clock and in the morning, and I was still awake. And, you know, when he gets home, he likes to hear about how our day went here at home because he's so sad because he really has not gotten to see the kids very much at all because they're usually still asleep when he leaves in the morning, and they're definitely asleep when he gets home at night. They made him this really cute poster. You know what I might do is I think I'll just have those two up together and then go down and up. Solved my little problem there. Anyway, so he likes to hear about our day, and then he tells me about his day just to kind of decompress and sort of get his thoughts out about all the stuff that's going on so that he can sort of like relax, you know, and then get tired because he got home last night at 1. We talked until about 2, and then I set the alarm for him to get up at 6:30, which really, that is very little sleep, clearly. Anyway, so then we both fell asleep on the couch because then he likes to watch a little bit of TV, and he falls asleep within like 5 minutes. And then I usually fall asleep on the couch too, and then I wake him up, and I wake up and wake him up, and I'm like, let's go to bed. Anyway, I got in bed, and 6:30 came real quick. Snoozed a couple times, and he got up, I got up. Granted, he got up and went to work. I got up and had a very slow, like, whoa, man, I am tired. So not anything like he's going through. And again, I'm super lucky because I don't need to go into work right now. So I can sustain being tired and whatever. We do have a house guest coming in a few hours. My husband's good friend, one of his good friends from high school, he's a great guy. So I'm excited to see him. Granted, my husband might not be home again until like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I think we're going to do pizza. My daughter's going out with a friend of hers to go see another one of their friends in a theater production tonight. But my son and I will have pizza with my husband's buddy, and then probably my son, and they'll play video games. They'll probably play a bunch of Mario Kart. So that'll be fun. I will be a spectator for that for sure. Or maybe read or something. Anyway, that is our day. The kids were so helpful. I went to Costco this morning and I was like, guys, if you can start on all this stuff, like moving the rabbit, because the rabbit lives in my daughter's room, but my daughter's room becomes the guest room when, you know, we have house guests. So they like busted butt and unloaded the dishwasher, did the dishes, moved the rabbit, cleaned the cat box, moved the cat stuff, started laundry, vacuumed the house. I mean, like, oh my gosh, they're 11 and 13, and they were so excited when I got home from Costco. My son ran out to help me unload the car, and then he was like, oh, I want to show you all the stuff we did. And wow, was it so nice to not have to nag. Oh my goodness, that was a special treat. I mean, I told them this morning, I'm like, you guys, I'm really tired, so my patience is probably not going to be there very much today, and they have been rock stars. Okay, that's been my day. I hope you've been having a great day. I need to grab some fruit stuff because I've gotten all this on, the fun full boxes and the fruit. I mean, this is just, gosh, I love it so much. This kit, absolute favorite of mine, love it. Okay, so I grabbed my summer album. My summer album is getting really full. So I've got, you know, the kits in here, and then I've got a bunch of different single sheets, some from this year, like the sunflowers and stuff, and then just stuff from the last couple of years. So I go all the way to the back, and I've run out of pages, although I think I have like some, like here's an empty random page. So they're the cute little ants. I'm gonna pull those out, put a couple of those on. I'd love to use these. I could have used something like this at the bottom instead of the washi, but I didn't. But I don't, you know, I could. I think I'll pull one of these to put on the Saturday just to fill a spot there. But then I can pull these little fruits. That'll be perfect, because what I like to do is make little sections. So I can put 5 to do things a day, 2 here, and then 3 in this column. And that gives me, what, 35? No, because this one doesn't have any. So 30 different kind of spots of things to do. And I almost always fill them all. Isn't that amazing how easily things just fill up like that? Oh, there's little ants there. So maybe we'll put one here. Because certainly if there's ants somewhere, right, there's ants like everywhere. Not a fan of ants. Okay. Put that there. Got that. And then this cute fruit. Keep with the watermelon theme here. We've got pineapples there. Oh, let's put an orange on the orange day. You know, I should also pull some cute summer critters because I love the critters. Let's see what we got. Let's go toward the end because those are the newer ones. Cute. I don't know if I want the chalk or the bubbles. Maybe like critters and sunglasses or something. Cute Hawaiian. Hawaiian could be kind of cute. Let's pull the Hawaiian. Okay. We'll just put a few of these in too because they are adorable. Let's see. We'll put Frank over here since Frank is there. And we'll put, oh, I didn't pull a Poe. Okay, so we're good for Poe here. Let's actually put Frank down here so that we don't have the critters next to each other. I know it makes absolutely zero difference, but there you go. That's how my brain works. You know what? We're going to put this orange on this orange day. And that goes with that. So that's cute. Gosh, I need one more fruit. That filled up fast, didn't it? Let's put cherries. Oh, you know what? And I said 30 things, but there's only 3. My counting is off. It is definitely off. I have not done a lot of schoolwork, although last night when I was waiting for my husband to get home, I had on like silly TV, you know, TV that you just don't have to really watch to watch. And I was working on some school stuff late last night. Had the urge, I had like motivated to do it, so I might as well seize the day. All right, I think my B6 is ready for next week. I'm feeling really good about that. The only planner that isn't ready for next week is my weekly, and I like to do that on Sundays anyway to kind of get ready for the week. And then some of my dailies I like to get ahead of my hobo cousin. And my daily planner that I've been using, here, let me grab it. So this is the daily planner I've been using. You can kind of see how my day went today. So see here are all those different things that the kids helped me with. We're still waiting for that the bedding to dry. Anyway, so this daily I don't do every day. So you can see here, this was Tuesday. I didn't do it for Wednesday, Thursday. I got it undated just so I could use it for the days like I needed it, you know, where I felt like I really wanted to be like, okay, what's going on today in the time block, and then just different things here. So it's really been nice. It's really been nice. So I'm not gonna worry about pre-doing this unless I know there's a day that's gonna be really busy, but I feel like I'm getting caught up. I'm almost caught up in my reading planner too, yay. And I am making a list of what people wanted to see for Plan With Me's on this channel. So if you have an idea of something you'd like to see that I do, I'm not gonna get another planner because, oh my gosh, I do not need one. But you know, I've got my B6 daily. I've got my, I know reading is a big one, but like I said, I'm almost caught up. My weekly Sweet Kawaii design planner, where it's like my family's to do. My Hobo Cousin weekly spreads, daily spreads. There's this daily planner, my school one in about a month. Anyway, I'm also gonna try to do some of my craft room too, different spaces and planners I use, kind of like a check-in on what am I using, so you can kind of see. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. And let's see, what's today? Today is Friday. Gosh, I can't remember what day it is during the summer. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time. Happy planning.